How to share your Instagram account link on WhatsApp. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to share your Instagram account link on WhatsApp. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, what you want to do is go to your mobile browser on your mobile device, such as Chrome, and then head over to Instagram.com. Ensure that you're logged into your account, and once here, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. So once you're here, there's no option within your actual profile to copy the link to get to your profile. So as you can see in the top address bar at the top of the screen, if I click in that, I'll have the option of being able to copy the address link to my profile account on Instagram. So I'm just going to tap on copy, and then next I'm going to head over to WhatsApp. And then once in WhatsApp, you can open up any of the chats on who you'd like to share your Instagram account link with. And then just in the message option at the bottom, if you long press, then tap on paste. And you'll see that that's got my Instagram account link now in that message. So all I need to do is hit send, and it will send the link to my Instagram account through WhatsApp. Now, if I wanted to share somebody else's Instagram link, what I would do is I would delete that link out of there for now. I'd head back over to Instagram, and then I'm just going to go back to the home page. So if I wanted to share this person's link, I would go to their profile and then follow the same steps by tapping on the address bar in the top, then hitting copy. Head back over to the WhatsApp app, into the message where I'd like to send that person's Instagram link, and then paste it into the message again. And finally hit send, and it's going to send the link to that person's Instagram account to your friends on WhatsApp. And that's all it takes to share your Instagram account link on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.